Making good decisions is a skill that can be developed over time. It doesn't matter whether the choices are big or small. Every decision shapes the quality of our lives. By improving decision-making, we can reduce stress, avoid regrets, and achieve better results in both personal and professional life. Let's begin with a quick summary of the decision-making process. First, identify the problem or decision to be made. Then, gather relevant information. Consider your options and weigh the pros and cons of each. After that, choose the best option and take action. Finally, review the decision and learn from the outcome. Now the question is, how do you keep improving this skill? The first method is reflection. After making any decision, take time to reflect. Ask yourself, what went right? What could have been done better? This helps build self-awareness and prevents repeating the same mistakes. Second, keep a decision journal. It doesn't have to be long. Write down the choices you make, why you made them, and what happened afterward. Over time, patterns will emerge. You'll start noticing what influences your thinking and how to make better calls in the future. Third, learn to manage emotions. Decisions made in anger, fear, or excitement are often poor. Practice taking a pause when emotions are high. Breathe, think, then decide. Emotional control is a powerful part of wise decision-making. Fourth, seek feedback. Sometimes others can see blind spots we miss. Ask trusted people for input on your decisions, especially when facing a tough choice. You don't have to follow their advice, but their insights can help broaden your thinking. Fifth, study how others make decisions. Read books, listen to podcasts, or watch interviews of successful people. Notice how they approach uncertainty, risk, and pressure. Learning from others can shortcut your own growth. Sixth, practice small decisions consciously. Even choosing what to eat when done with awareness sharpens the mind. It builds discipline, focus, and mental clarity. Treat every decision as a chance to improve your judgment. Finally, be patient. No one becomes a master overnight. With regular effort, self-reflection, and curiosity, your decision-making skills will get better and better. Better decisions lead to better actions, and better actions lead to a better life. Keep learning, stay curious, and grow every day.